Welcome to our channel, where we explore chic and elegant home decor ideas that will transform your living space into a stylish haven. Today, we're diving into sophisticated designs that combine timeless elegance with modern trends. Let's start with the foundation of any chic home, a neutral color palette. Think shades of white, beige, and gray. These colors create a serene backdrop, allowing your decor pieces to shine. You can add depth with different textures like plush rugs, linen curtains, and velvet cushions. Next, focus on minimalistic furniture. Opt for pieces with clean lines and understated elegance. A sleek, modern sofa paired with a classic coffee table can set the tone for your living area. Remember, less is more when it comes to creating a chic atmosphere. While minimalism is key, incorporating statement pieces is essential. A large, ornate mirror or an artful chandelier can become the focal point of any room. These elements add personality and a touch of luxury to your decor. Bringing nature indoors is another hallmark of elegant design. Consider adding indoor plants, fresh flowers, or even a small indoor fountain. These natural elements not only beautify your space, but also create a calming environment. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a layered effect. Elegant sconces, floor lamps, and table lamps can enhance the overall aesthetic and functionality of your home. Don't forget the details. Decorative accessories like vases, sculptures, and throw pillows can add a personal touch to your decor. Choose pieces that reflect your style and complement the overall theme of your home. A chic home is also an organized home. Invest in stylish storage solutions like woven baskets, sleek shelves, and beautiful boxes. Keeping clutter at bay not only makes your space look elegant but also promotes a sense of tranquility. Finally, extend your decor ideas to your outdoor space. Create a chic patio or balcony with comfortable seating, ambient lighting, and lush greenery. This will provide a seamless flow from indoors to outdoors, making your entire home feel cohesive and elegant. Home decor is an essential aspect of creating a space that not only reflects your personal style, but also provides comfort and functionality. Chic and elegant home decor is all about blending sophistication with simplicity, ensuring that your living space is both stylish and welcoming. This essay explores various ideas to help you achieve a chic and elegant home, focusing on color palettes, furniture, statement pieces, natural elements, lighting, decorative accessories, organization, and outdoor spaces. The foundation, neutral color palettes. The foundation of chic and elegant home decor lies in the use of neutral color palettes. Shades of white, beige, gray, and soft pastels create a serene and timeless backdrop for any room. These colors are versatile, allowing you to easily change accents and accessories to keep your decor fresh and updated. Neutral colors also enhance the perception of space, making rooms appear larger and more open. By using a neutral base, you can introduce various textures and patterns without overwhelming the senses, resulting in a harmonious and sophisticated environment. Minimalistic furniture, less is more. Incorporating minimalistic furniture is key to achieving a chic and elegant look. Choose pieces with clean lines, simple shapes, and understated elegance. A sleek sofa, a classic coffee table, and streamlined chairs can set the tone for your living area. The principle of less is more applies here, as clutter-free spaces with carefully selected furniture pieces create a sense of calm and order. Investing in high-quality, timeless furniture ensures longevity and style, allowing you to create a cohesive and polished look throughout your home. Statement pieces, adding personality. While minimalism is essential, incorporating statement pieces adds personality and a touch of luxury to your decor. Statement pieces can include large, ornate mirrors, artful chandeliers, or unique artwork. These elements draw attention and serve as focal points in a room, adding depth and interest to your space. The key is to balance these bold pieces with the rest of your decor to maintain harmony and elegance. A well-placed statement piece can elevate the overall aesthetic, making your home feel curated and stylish. Natural elements, bringing the outdoors in. Incorporating natural elements is another hallmark of elegant design. Indoor plants, fresh flowers, and natural materials like wood and stone bring warmth and a sense of tranquility to your home. Plants not only beautify your space, but also improve air quality and create a calming atmosphere. Consider adding a variety of indoor plants, from large potted trees to small succulents, to bring life and energy into your home. Natural elements also help to soften the lines of modern furniture, creating a balanced and inviting environment. Lighting, creating ambience. Lighting is a crucial aspect of chic and elegant home decor. A mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting creates a layered effect, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Elegant sconces, floor lamps, and table lamps add warmth and sophistication to your space. Consider using dimmers to adjust the lighting according to the time of day and the mood you wish to create. Well-placed lighting can highlight architectural features, artwork, and other decor elements, adding depth and dimension to your rooms. Decorative accessories, the finishing touch. Decorative accessories are the finishing touch that brings your decor together. Vases, sculptures, throw pillows, and artwork add personality and style to your home. Choose accessories that complement your overall theme and color palette, and don't be afraid to mix different textures and materials. The right accessories can transform a simple space into a chic and elegant retreat. Personal touches, such as family photos or travel souvenirs, can also add warmth and character, making your home uniquely yours. Organization, a clutter-free sanctuary. A chic home is also an organized home. Stylish storage solutions like woven baskets, sleek shelves, and beautiful boxes help keep clutter at bay. An organized space not only looks elegant but also promotes a sense of peace and relaxation. Invest in functional yet aesthetically pleasing storage options to maintain a tidy and serene environment. Regular decluttering and thoughtful organization ensure that your home remains a sanctuary of chic elegance. Extending elegance outdoors. Finally, extend your decor ideas to your outdoor space. A chic patio or balcony with comfortable seating, ambient lighting, and lush greenery creates a seamless flow from indoors to outdoors. This extension of your living space enhances the overall cohesiveness of your home decor. Outdoor rugs, stylish furniture, and decorative plants can transform your outdoor area into a chic retreat, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. In conclusion, achieving a chic and elegant home is about blending simplicity with sophistication. By focusing on neutral color palettes, minimalistic furniture, statement pieces, natural elements, thoughtful lighting, decorative accessories, organization, and extending your decor outdoors, you can create a living space that is both stylish and welcoming. These ideas will help you transform your home into a haven of chic elegance, reflecting your personal style while providing comfort and functionality. With these chic and elegant home decor ideas, you can transform your living space into a stylish sanctuary. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.